few months back, I made my first mini pond with a very simple and basic setup using a thermocol box and some common aquatic plants. Today I thought of taking a step forward and making another mini pond with a more stable base and more aquatic and semi-aquatic plants. This time I chose a medium-sized plastic tub for my pond. Different pots to put the plants and a hiding spot for the fishes. For the plants, I put some sand on the earthen bowl that I washed before. Then I put the aquatic plants. Some more sand to bury the root. Finally, I put stones at the top to let the plants stay on the bowl. I decided to put more plants on another bowl, but this time without sand and only stones. Why not adding more plants? This time I used a jar. Now it's time to set my small fish pond. I am trying my best to make it somehow appealing. I also added some more plants that will cover the empty spaces of the pond. We are glad that you are still with us and watching our video. Please keep supporting us like this as it can make a big difference for our channel. Now it's time to add the water. Make sure to avoid tap water and use clean and filtered water for the aquatic lives to thrive in a healthy way. I decided to keep some space at the top for not letting the fishes jump out of the water. Now time to add some floating plants. If you like our video, then do not hesitate to hit the like and subscribe our channel. We will come up with more eco-friendly contents in our upcoming videos. Finally, the fishes are ready to be relocated to their new house. Before that, I removed some excess water from the fish carrier plastic bag. Here I release the fishes to a bigger and better house. Fish keeping has been considered an ancient practice from 4500 years back, where fishes were kept in artificial ponds. At the time, there were no filters, so the best way to keep the pond full of oxygen was to add a lot of aquatic plants. And as they believed the more plants the better pond, I decided to add more plants as well. Now the final look after rearranging the pots containing the plants is something like this. I also added some ramshorn snails to the pond. Keeping fishes in aquarium is one thing, but keeping fishes in open containers and tubs with natural looking settings that resembles a pond is a completely different thing. It gives a more habitual and relatable environment for the fishes, as well provide easy to handle and easy to care conditions for the owner. You can also set up your own mini pond in a similar way, or maybe with your own ideas and creativity. And if you do so, then do let us know in the comments. Till then, be sustainable and be creative.